Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make your own Windows 10 theme. Want to change how your desktop and window look in Windows 10 and share that design with friends. Windows 10 lets you create your own theme with a custom desktop background, Windows border and start menu accent color. You can save these settings as a new theme file to use over and over or send to others. So firstly, open the Start menu and now click on gear icon for settings. Now click on personalization. Now you will see this one, background. In background, you can select picture, choose your picture. This file is the default, and also you can browse and select your own picture. Choose picture and another one, solid color. You can select any color which you want. Third option, slideshow. Browse and choose album for your slideshow. Browse and select which, and now click on color. Choose your color. Click this one. Automatically pick an accent color from my background. Recent color this one, and Windows color this one. You can custom color if you want. Select anyone. Click on done. So accent color on the following surface: Start taskbar and Action Center title bars. If you want, so you can select. So you can see the theme color now change for title bar and Start taskbar and Action Center. Choose your default app mode, dark and light. It will be light. Now click on themes. So you can see the background slideshow now with the zero image, but you can select images as many as you want. And here is the color. Sound is for this theme is the default, and mouse cursor window default. You can change if you want. Click on save. Name your theme. My first theme. Now click on save. So you can see this is the window image, and this one is your own theme. When you want to, you can apply this theme. So by this simple method you can make your own theme. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.